Desiree here at Love That Door in Frisco, answering some of the most frequently asked questions. Here's a really common one, it's a good one. Or which is a better frame, wood or iron? Honestly, hands down, an iron frame is going to be far superior to a wood frame. One, security. It's highly durable. You cannot really break through a iron frame the way that you can a wooden frame, for one. Two, longevity. Wood frames require more maintenance and upkeep because as they age, they weather, so the paint cracks. It requires sealing, painting, and a number of other things to prevent termites, and depending on where you live, of course. It's not really resistant to humidity, so it can warp. Ultimately, wood frames are going to have much more maintenance than an iron frame. If you have any other questions, visit us online at lovethatdoor.com. There you'll find some great blogs and resources for some of your most frequently asked questions.